This week in the office we've been experimenting with lithoplanes, which was an old art form in France in the 1820s. It involved a lot of layers of porcelain, and when you backlight it, you can see right through. So now in 2017, 3D printing does the same effect. This first draft was, alright, a little low resolution, and the image was negative. When we threw it into Photoshop and inverted the colors and did a little tweaks to our settings, we got this great result.